On May 5, 2015, in a grand nighttime spectacle at the iconic Hoover Dam, the Freightliner Inspiration truck was unveiled to the world. Arguably one of the most stunningly attractive trucks ever made, this heavy-duty dream machine is the first autonomous commercial vehicle to operate on an open public highway in the United States. Its spectacular lighting teases the imagination and hints at the amazing innovations engineered into its design. Under proper traffic and environmental conditions, its self-driving technology allows the driver to hand over full control to an onboard computer. Because autonomous control of large vehicles in crowded city traffic is still problematic for any computer to flawlessly handle, this type of control is left to the driver. Self-driving mode can take over on tiring, monotonous highway runs for lane stability, collision avoidance, speed control, braking, steering, and general road keeping. It also alerts the driver when to take control. Short and long-range radar scans the road out to a maximum of 820 feet in an 18-degree arc. The Inspiration's interior includes leather upholstery, spacious sleeping quarters, and immaculate wood flooring. Video displays replace the exterior mirrors, reducing blind spots and wind drag, and a large computer screen adorns the dashboard. The Freightliner Inspiration is a truck driver's dream.
This truck is completely autonomous. It does not need any other systems to operate. So you can drive this truck without any assistance, any preconditions on any infrastructure whatsoever. It drives by itself. It's autonomous. It's a strange feeling, but after a couple of kilometers I'm very comfortable. I feel very safe. I will feel very secure, and I have to say it's really fun to drive that truck. Actually, it's very simple, right? You push that button and you lean back and relax. That's all that it's about. Everything else has been done by the system. The system takes over and pilots you to the traffic. It's just great. It's a good feeling.